At the risk of being called tribal, we raise issues of humanitarian concerns that are taking the style of targeted ethnic profiling of the Gikuyu, Embu, and Meru communities in Nairobi that is well calculated to rip them off economically by the Kenya National Highways Authority, the Nairobi Governor Sakaja, and William Ruto. I want to say that what is taking place in Nairobi is ethnic profiling that has targeted the people from the Mount Kenya region for destruction, economic ruin, and improved enrichment. The demolitions of Githurai on the 9th of 18th February targeted members of the Gikuyu, Embu, and Meru. Again, on the 5th of March, in Roysambu, brutal demolition took place, again targeted the members of the Gikuyu, Embu, and Meru. On 8th March 2026, again, at Uhuru Market, the Mount Kenya traders were targeted. This is persecution of a community, it is ethnic profiling, and it is unacceptable.